From the opulent trip of the future, greetings. Forget about the limitations of luxury on land because Bentley is reimagining the concept of the motorhome. Introducing the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines unequaled performance, unmatched elegance, and unmatched mobility. Bentley's very unique front fascia, in addition to its iconic matrix grille and crystal LED headlights, contributes to its unique character. Despite its little size, its powerful presence is emphasized by its big multi-spoke alloy wheels and flowing aerodynamic body lines. This RV's engine is nearly as amazing as its appearance. Its state-of-the-art 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine produces over 600 horsepower, ensuring a powerful, silent, and comfortable ride that gives you the impression that you are flying through the air. You are greeted with a cockpit that serves as both the driver's cabin and an extravagant control center. The dashboard is covered in soft, quilted Bentley leather and is embellished with book-matched veneer wood or high-gloss carbon fiber. A large curved OLED infotainment screen that is fully integrated with Level 3 autonomous driving assistance technologies, augmented reality navigation, and intuitive voice control displays all of the information flawlessly. Haptic touch and real metal buttons provide satisfying tactile input, while a heated and cooled leather steering wheel makes every trip utterly pleasant. The main section, however, is quite elegant. The goal of a spacious, light-filled living area is to maximize comfort. The ultimate in luxury is offered by hand-stitched Mulliner leather sofas and chairs in the iconic diamond pattern, which have amenities like heating, cooling, and massaging. Wall panels move electrically to expand the living space and provide a more private lounge area while the camper is parked. A retractable 8K OLED TV screen from the ceiling, a Naim for Bentley audio system with hidden speakers, and adjustable multicolored LED ambient lighting create an unmatched entertainment experience. A private haven is the bedroom in the back. A king-size mattress with memory foam on top guarantees a restful night's sleep while traveling long distances. Built-in wardrobes with automatic lighting and lockable drawers offer plenty of storage space. Large panoramic windows with motorized blinds offer stunning views, and a separate climate control system ensures the perfect sleeping temperature. The bathroom serves as a makeshift spa. It has an elegant sink with chrome or gold-plated taps, a high-pressure rain shower, and a ceramic vacuum toilet with bidet. It is finished with luxurious composite materials or fine marble. An anti-fog mirror, integrated lighting, and a silent air ventilation system provide the highest level of comfort. Lastly, practical art may be seen in the kitchen. High-end manufacturers like Gagano or Sub-Zero include built-in microwaves, convection ovens, induction cooktops, side-by-side freezers with ice makers, and hidden dishwashers. Countertops are made of materials like granite or quartz that are resistant to scratching. Even in the large outdoor space, bespoke cabinets with soft-closed drawers and efficient under-cabinet lighting may meet all of your cooking demands. Bentley Motorhome 2026. It is more than just a vehicle. It is a declaration of unbridled luxury and independence. Enjoy every journey in the exceptional excellence that only Bentley can offer.